Really excited to be, kind of bringing you that different type of content. I've reached out to my friends and they've all been enthusiastic. They all see what a great community all of you are, and just, really grateful that they're going to be coming on board. I think it's going to make for a really interesting August. I'm still working on other guests. Some people maybe are too shy to come on board. In turn, some of them are inviting me. I actually just got an invitation from an old colleague to come talk to their audit team. He leads an audit team based in India, so I'll be seeing if we can do a presentation for them. So really, just a lot of good stuff coming up. So if you're joining us right now, a little bit later on Instagram, feel free to share your city, state, country, province. Love to hear from you guys. See where everybody is checking in from. Don't be shy. You don't have to be some amazing data scientist to join in and contribute to the conversation. I'm seeing more people on Instagram than they're introducing themselves, so maybe we have some shy people this morning, and that's okay. But it makes for better conversation when you guys, just kind of kick it off and let me know where you're from.